is RJ Rodriguez, or you can call me Jay or Kuya Jay. On behalf of Bulacan Tours, I'd like to so all welcome here in Bulacan. The bus right to your hotel will take about 15 minutes right now. I'd like so all you to familiarize here in Bulacan with the area and discuss some briefly precautions. Firstly, I ask that you remain seated until we reach our destination. Second, please realize that it is against law which forbidden to skater anywhere. Enjoy our tour. To our first destination, let me tell you about some details about our land here in Bulacan. Malolos is a third-class component city and the capital of province of Bulacan, Philippines. According to the 2015 census, it has a population of 152,074 people. It is a capital city of province of Bulacan as the seat of provincial government. An ancient city filled with warm people and tourism meets urban and rural landscape. Malolos Bulacan invites you to enjoy a slow-paced lifestyle and take in its sights one of journey at a time. And now we are here to our first destination, the Berswain Church. The Berswain Church, also known as the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Parish, was built in 1880s. This place is the most historical area in the entire province of Bulacan. It also has a small museum that features religious items and are many old churches in Bulacan. But Berswain stands out because of historical significance. This was the venue where the first Philippine Constitution was ratified for more than a century ago. Relive this momentous occasion by exploring the interior and imagining heroes you read about history books, signing and discussing a constitution to save the country. Located here in Malolos, Bulacan. This church is easy to access by public transportation. Go to our second destination, the Casariel Shrine. A printing press during Malolos Republic that was restored in 1852. Located at Paso de Congreso Plaza Rizal, Malolos, Bulacan. Casariel Shrine served as the National Museum and the National Printing Press. During the First Philippine Republic, this is the government museum consisting of relics from the First Philippine Republic. Memorabilia of General Emilio Aguinaldo are also found here. First-class families of Malolos, their furnitures, old books, stamps, paper money, and coin are also displayed in the shrine. for our third and next location is the Basilica Minore de Immaculada Concepcion, also known as Malolos Cathedral. This historic church was built in 1896 the seat of Power General Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of Republic of the Philippines. Located in front of the Basilica Minore is a century-old tree known as Kalayaan Tree, Tree of Freedom, which was planted by President Aguinaldo during a lull in history Malolos Convention. It is presently the seat of the Diocese of Malolos. It has been the bastion of faith for the past century. For our last destination, the Singkabang Festival. Sining at kalinangan ng Bulacan. It is celebrated art wearing intricately structured bamboo arches, which complement streets and church entryway during town holidays. One likewise observe these decorated bamboo arches during Santa Cruzan and parades. It displays the traditional artworks of scholarly playing from Balagtasan. Society moves and standard tunes known as Kundin. The main event of the festival is the Rope Move and Float Parade, where specialties from different Bulacan towns travel Malolos in the midst of festival season. The Singkaban, the bamboo expensive arts, after which the festival was named, is an observable subject, especially in the section of Habunan Hapon. The culture of Bulacan can be seen in Singkaban, Santa Cruzan, in which the use of the Barot Saya, the Maria Clara style outfit, the Kamikasa Chino, and the Singkaban is prolific. This event display Bulacan local culture, heritage, and creativity, and the various towns, entrance, future, everything in Bulacan. And that's our 4th destination here in Bulacan. And that's where our tour ends. Thank you very much for visiting our province in Malolos, Bulacan. We are honored you to share the culture and history of our town. And come on, we will take you to our coaster, but everything is new. Please double check your things, and first, if you have missed items and we're okay, let's go and leave. Thank you.